Risk response strategies. What happens? Let us see in simplified terms what actually happens when you strategize for individual negative risks or threats and individual positive risks or opportunities. These concepts are going to be applicable not only at a project level. These are also applicable at the level of a program or a portfolio. So first, strategizing for project threats, that is individual negative project risk. So here we have a figure and we have two parameters. One is probability, another is impact. Probability is represented in the y-axis, whereas impact is represented in the x-axis. This side is low probability, this side is high probability. This side is low impact, this side is high impact. This figure has been divided into 4 quadrants based on probability and impact value. So on the bottom left we have low probability, low impact. On the bottom top left we have high probability, low impact. On the top right we have high probability, high impact. On the bottom right we have low probability but high impact. These red circles, the small red circles that you are seeing, these are representing individual negative risk or the threats. So what we are doing here is we are trying to pull the risks with high probability, low impact into low probability, low impact zone. Similarly, the risks with high probability and high impact, we are trying to pull them here as well. That is low probability, low impact zone. Similar is the case of low probability, high impact. Effectively, we are trying to reduce the high probability value to low probability value or high impact to low impact. If both impact as well as probability values are high, that also we are trying to reduce. Whatever risk response strategy you are going to use, this is going to be your fundamental concept, that you are going to pull down the probability and the impact value and then trying to put them into this zone, that is low probability and low impact zone. How about project opportunities or the individual positive risks? Again, we have a figure here with 2 parameters. Same probability represented in y-axis, impact represented in x-axis. This side low, this side high probability, this side low impact, this side is high impact. We have divided this figure into 4 quadrants. The bottom left is low probability, low impact. The top left is high probability, low impact. On the right hand side, we have high probability, high impact and low probability, high impact. Here we have some green circles. The small green circles that you are seeing, these are with respect to individual positive project risk or the project opportunities. What we are trying to do while strategizing for project opportunities, we are trying to move the risks from all these 3 zones into this zone, that is the top right zone of high probability, high impact. Effectively, whatever strategy you are going to use for your opportunity or a combination of strategy you are going to use, you are going to have the risk, high probability value and high impact value. That is because it is an opportunity, you want to ensure that this happens. As I said earlier, this is effective for your project or if you are strategizing for the risk with respect to a program or portfolio. Specifically, we are discussing here with respect to project, and as we proceed, we are going to see a number of risk response strategies.